move. Ah!
Yes! Now what?
Yeah, now it's on the tree. Now what are you gonna do?
Is this a bad idea? Yes. Am I still gonna try? Absolutely.
Ah! No.
Hey, what's the difference between the hippo? What's the difference between a hippo and a zippo?
What?
One's really heavy and the other one's a little lighter.
A beast. You're a beast.
There's a body over here.
There's a body?
Yeah.
I would believe it, honestly. Yeah. Oh, golly.
All right, so we got the shed completely tore down. Everything's all cleaned up. Almost all cleaned up. That's still all got to go in the trailer. I've got a brand new shed in the garage that we're going to build in the next video.